In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly build a workflow board in Miro using templates, bulk sticky notes, and fast duplication shortcuts. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can follow along in real time. The goal is to speed up your setup process and help you go from a blank board to a structured workflow much faster. Start by opening Miro.com in Chrome. Using Chrome helps ensure the interface behaves smoothly and that all of Miro's features load the way they're supposed to. Once the site opens, go into your board or create a new one so you have a clean space to work with. If your board feels overwhelming at first, don't worry. The key is to begin with a framework instead of building everything manually from scratch. Next, press Templates and choose a workflow layout that matches the type of process you want to map out. This is one of the biggest time savers in Miro because templates give you a ready-made structure with sections already arranged in a logical way. Look for something relevant to your project, whether it's a task flow, planning board, or process map. Choosing the right layout early makes everything easier to organize later, and it also helps keep your board visually consistent. After your template is on the board, paste external text lists directly into Miro to automatically create bulk sticky notes. This is especially useful if you already have ideas, tasks, or action items written somewhere else, like in a document or notes app. Instead of creating sticky notes one at a time, just copy the list and paste it into the board. Miro can turn each line into its own sticky note, which saves a huge amount of time and reduces repetitive work. Before you paste, it helps to quickly clean up your list so each item is short and easy to read. Once your sticky notes are created, use quick layout shortcuts like Command or Control+D to duplicate elements fast. This is perfect when you want to repeat shapes, labels, sections, or other board items without rebuilding them. Duplicating elements helps you maintain a consistent layout, especially when you're creating similar stages in a workflow. It also makes your board look more intentional and easier for others to understand. As you work, keep spacing and alignment in mind so the board stays readable. A clean visual structure makes collaboration smoother and helps people focus on the content instead of the layout. That's the process. Open Miro in Chrome, choose a workflow template, paste in text lists to generate sticky notes,